Lecture 147. Weird Facts About Yawning. Mysterious music plays softly as the title appears. Welcome to the enigmatic world of yawning. That seemingly simple bodily function that remains shrouded in mystery despite centuries of scientific inquiry. I'm Dr. Alexandra Reid, and in today's lecture, we'll explore the perplexing and often baffling phenomenon that occurs across species, cultures, and time. Are you ready to discover the secrets hidden within this mundane, yet mysterious bodily response? And fair warning, you'll likely find yourself yawning before this video ends. As you sit there watching, your body performs roughly 8 yawns daily. That's nearly 3,000 yawns per year. But why? This deceptively simple question haunts sleep researchers and neurologists alike. While you might assume science has unraveled this everyday mystery, the truth is far more captivating. We still don't fully understand why we yawn. What we do know is equally fascinating. During a yawn, your mouth opens wide, your diaphragm contracts. You inhale deeply, filling your lungs to about 4 times their resting capacity, while your eyes often water and close. But this orchestrated sequence serves purposes far beyond what meets the eye. One of the most enchanting theories suggests that yawning evolved as a thermoregulation mechanism for our brains. When you yawn, the powerful stretching of your jaw increases blood flow to your face and neck, potentially cooling blood that circulates to your brain. Studies have found that people yawn more frequently in ambient temperatures that match the temperature of the brain, not too hot, not too cold. This might explain the perplexing observation that we yawn more in winter than summer. Cold air drawn into the nasal and oral cavities cools the blood flowing to the brain more effectively than hot air. Nature, it seems, has designed an elegant temperature control system hidden within this seemingly mundane reflex. The evolutionary timeline of yawning unveils an even more mysterious dimension. Yawning predates humans by hundreds of millions of years. Fish, reptiles, birds, and mammals all yawn despite having dramatically different brain structures and social organizations. This universal presence across the vertebrate lineage suggests yawning emerged in our ancient aquatic ancestors, quietly persisting through the vast epochs of evolutionary history. But here's where it becomes truly captivating: only certain species experience contagious yawning. This peculiar social phenomenon occurs reliably in humans, chimpanzees, bonobos, baboons, and domesticated dogs, but is notably absent in other creatures. What invisible thread connects these particular species? The answer might lie in the enigmatic realm of empathy. Contagious yawning represents one of the most baffling aspects of this behavior. When you see someone yawn, or even read about yawning as you're doing now, neural circuits in your brain activate, often triggering your own yawn. But not everyone is equally susceptible to this contagion. People with higher levels of empathy are more likely to catch yawns from others. Children with autism spectrum disorder, who sometimes experience differences in empathetic responses, often show reduced contagious yawning. Perhaps most tellingly, psychopaths, individuals with impaired empathy, demonstrate significantly lower rates of contagious yawning. Is your yawn, therefore, a window into your soul, a measurable glimpse of your capacity for human connection? This question transforms the humble yawn from bodily function to profound social signal. Even more perplexing is that contagious yawning works across species boundaries. Your dog, sharing your home and emotional life, can catch your yawns, but primarily from their owners, not strangers. This suggests an emotional bond underpinning this mysterious connection. When your dog catches your yawn, you're witnessing an ancient bridge of empathy spanning across species that diverged evolutionarily millions of years ago. This cross-species contagion presents a haunting question. Does your dog understand you on a neurological level science is only beginning to comprehend? Now, let's venture into even stranger territory. Did you know fetuses begin yawning in the womb at around 11 weeks? These prenatal yawns appear different from other mouth movements, following the precise pattern of post-birth yawns. What enigmatic purpose could yawning serve before birth, in an environment without air? Some researchers propose these early yawns help develop and mature the brain's neural circuits controlling mouth movements. Others suggest they might be preparing the fetus for breastfeeding. But the truth remains veiled in the mysterious architecture of our earliest development. the cultural dimensions of yawning add yet another layer of intrigue. Across civilizations, yawning has been interpreted through lenses of superstition and folklore. In medieval Europe, covering your mouth while yawning wasn't merely polite, it prevented your soul from escaping or demons from entering your body. In certain cultures, an uncovered yawn is considered an invitation for supernatural possession. The Mayan civilization believed yawning released evil spirits from the body. These persistent beliefs across disconnected cultures hint at yawning's unusual and somewhat unsettling appearance, a momentary trance state where consciousness seems briefly altered. Among the most baffling yawning phenomena is excessive yawning disorder, where individuals may yawn hundreds of times daily. This condition can signal serious neurological issues involving the brainstem or hypothalamus. Paradoxical yawning, yawning when stimulated rather than tired, can indicate multiple sclerosis or brain lesions. Perhaps most counterintuitive is the fact that paratroopers often yawn excessively before jumping, and Olympic athletes frequently yawn before competitions. In these high-stress situations, yawning may serve to regulate arousal levels and focus attention, precisely the opposite of expressing boredom or fatigue. As we conclude our exploration of this deceptively complex behavior, consider this final enigma. Despite yawning's universality, its true purpose remains contested among scientists. Is it primarily for brain cooling, social signaling, ear pressure equalization, stress regulation, blood oxygen modulation? The humble yawn, so familiar yet so mysterious, reminds us that even in the most ordinary human experiences lie profound questions about our biology, our evolution, and our connection to each other. Next time you feel that irresistible urge to yawn, remember you're participating in an ancient biological ritual, whose secrets continue to elude our full understanding. Until next time, I'm Dr. Alexandra Reid, inviting you to look with wonder at the commonplace mysteries that surround us daily. Soft music plays as credits roll,